Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of travel organization with a review of what many consider the best travel bags for packing currently available: the Veken 6-set packing cubes. These packing cubes are designed to revolutionize the way you travel. Made from durable twill polyester fabric with sturdy zippers. These packing cubes are designed to revolutionize the way you travel. Made from durable twill polyester fabric with sturdy zippers. They're built to withstand the rigors of frequent use and keep your belongings organized. Let's talk about why these cubes are a game changer. First off, they come in 4 sizes: extra large, large, medium, and small, catering to all your packing needs. The transparent mesh panels allow you to easily see what's inside, saving you from rummaging through your luggage. Whether you're jet-setting on a business trip or embarking on a family vacation, these cubes fit seamlessly into any bag type. They're not just for travel either. Use them at home to keep your closets organized and clutter-free. The Veken packing cubes are crafted with quality in mind. The two-way metal zippers glide effortlessly, minimizing snags. While the twill polyester fabric ensures these cubes will last through countless adventures. Maintaining these cubes is a breeze. Simply hand wash them with mild detergent and let them air dry away from direct sunlight to keep them looking like new. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend wanderer, the Veken 6-set packing cubes are your ultimate travel companion. With their durable construction, smart design, and unbeatable organizational capabilities, they truly stand out as the best travel bags for packing. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference in your daily life. Until next time, happy travels!